Hello, my name is Sarfaraz, and today we are going to talk about euro versus the dollar price action analysis. And we will try to find out whether euro versus the dollar is at a good place to initiate a buy position or a sell position. So, in front of your screen, you see a chart. This is euro versus the dollar on daily time frame, which is mentioned here. And today, the date is Wednesday, 31st August 2022. So, let's see how it goes. So this is the chart of euro versus the dollar, and in the bottom you see the time. It says August 2020 till today, which is August 2022. So this chart contains 2 years of data. So if we do the analysis from the beginning, what we see here that it formed a top here, and the top says the high is around 1.23500, which was formed on 6th of January 2021. After that, it took a pullback. It was not a deep pullback. The low of this leg remained it remained above the low of the previous swing low, and this pullback was in channel. When this pullback finished, the market took a upside move, and it tested the previous high, and it formed the lower high. So in short, we can say that market tried to retest the high, which was the high of last 2 years, but it failed to go above the prior high, and it formed lower high. So this kind of setup is called lower high major trend reversal setup. And whenever we find this kind of setup, we can initiate a trade. This kind of trade has 40% probability of a major swing trade where we can have a big profit. And 60% of the time, the stop loss gets hit. So if we initiate a trade here, the obvious stop loss is above the highest swing high, which is right here, above 1.23500. All right. So after that, the market, as expected, it went down, and it came down forming a wedge pattern here. And if we draw a support line, we see a perfect channel line here. The market formed a channel and took a pullback, and it is a very deep pullback. And during this pullback, the market tried to stay above a major support level, which is 1.000, which is where the euro and dollar comes at the same place. Euro and dollar become exactly equal. It tried to take support above 1.000, but it failed. It formed a trading range here, as we see here. This is the support line. The market tried to break support, but it failed eventually. We can see here the market tried to break this level thrice, but it failed. It seems that it will break the level very easily here, but the market reversed very fast. And after breaking this channel, it formed a double top. So it formed a double top, which is kind of a major trend reversal. And we were expecting the market to go to major move down. And so whenever this kind of a structure is made, we expect the major move down from here, from this double top to this neckline till here. So if you measure this is double top, this is the neckline. The market fell below the neckline, and then it achieved the major move target of this breakout of this region. But the market was looking at in bigger time frame. If you see, let's say in weekly or monthly time frame, you can calculate the major move down target from the top, and this is the neckline, because this is exactly the place of 1.000. And if we measure the major move down target from here, it comes to this place. On a higher time frame, this is the major move target, which is at around 1.000 or 4 times 0, where the euro and dollar are equal. And this is the major move target, as I said, and the market again fell in a channel, and And we were expecting that if market breaks this trend line, then we were expecting up move till the neckline, which is here, but it did not happen. And if we draw the bottom line, this is the support line. If we see the chart in 4 hours time frame, which I have already zoomed, we see again a trend line here. And if we copy this trend line and try to form a bottom, this is the bottom line. But this does not look a good channel, so we will remove this line, and we will consider this as a channel, and we will delete these two, and we will consider that this is an overshoot. Okay, so this is an overshoot, which is good to have when we are doing a price action analysis. If we zoom it further to see if this is a buying opportunity or not, so what we have is this: we have a few candles here. I have completely zoomed in the chart, and now if we try to see what is happening here, I see a double top forming here, and after that, again the same pattern. The market came down, forming a trend line here. It did not break the trend line. This is the support line, and after forming this support, you see this support became resistance here. The market was forming this trading line. The market, it took one more leg down, and now it is consolidating at this place. And again, this is at a perfect level, which is around 1.000. This is leg one, and this trading range can be called a pullback or a trading range, and this is leg two. And after that, we see a good market forming a good support level here. This is once, this is twice, this is thrice. And if someone wants to invest his money, then this is a good time to invest, because the market is below 1.0000 after October 2002. So around after 20 years, the market is at a major support level. So we should not miss this opportunity to enter in the market to buy euro versus the dollar. And whenever we buy, make sure that we are buying a very small quantity. And if market goes further down, we always have extra money to average it, because this is once in a decade opportunity where if we buy here, then we are expecting a very big profit. To join my training program, if you want to become a full-time trader, you can give me a call on the number which is mentioned on the screen. What I teach in my training program, you can see on the screen. The number for India is this, and if you are in UAE or at other place, you can call on this number, or you can WhatsApp on this number. See you in the next video. Bye bye.